bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Peanut butter can help stop hiccups by interrupting your swallowing pattern. Its sticky texture forces you to focus on chewing and swallowing, which can reset the diaphragm spasms causing hiccups. Though not guaranteed, many find this trick effective because it changes your breathing and swallowing rhythm, calming the hiccup reflex naturally.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.